here's everything we explored on our trip to Krabi, Thailand. We booked flight from Manila to Kuala Lumpur and Kuala Lumpur to Krabi. Wala pa kasing direct flight from Manila to Krabi pero with the seamless connectivity ng AirAsia, posible yan. I stayed at Krabi Tipa Resort located in Ao Nang, a resort town in southern Thailand. And I got their Grand Deluxe room. This is a non-smoking room with one double bed, may TV, refrigerator, workspace, may pre-bottled water, and ang saya ko kasi may kape. Towels provided, toiletries, and ang lawak ng bathroom. Ito naman ang view from my balcony. Ang relaxing ng vibe at ang sarap magkape. And look at the view! Ang ganda ng pool area dito with an overlooking view of Ao Nang. We availed an island hopping tour. Ang daming longtail boat! Sakay ng longtail boat na popular dito sa Krabi, we explored 4 islands. Along the sea rather, aakalain mong nasa 100 islands ka. Pero nasa Thailand tayo ha, maraming rock formations na madadaanan. Marami ring makukulit ang madadaanan. First stop, Tup Island. This is a beautiful white sand beach. Kung low tide, may sandbar connecting nearby islands. Next stop, Chicken Island. The island gets its name from that large rock formation na mukha talagang head and neck ng chicken.
Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
Perfect spot nga rin dito para mag-pictorial.
Ha? Nilulublob mo yung phone mo?
We also visited the Poda Island. Medyo touristy lang kasi ang ganda rin ng island and dito usually ang tour stop for lunch. Last stop is the Railay Beach and this was my fave stop. Ang daming magagandang spots. May madadaanan kayong mga stalactites, may monitor lizards, and may mga extreme activities. Must visit din dito ang trending spot na to, the Grotto Restaurant. I ordered iced latte and it did not disappoint. 11/10 kasi ang ganda ng view ng Pranang Beach. I still can't believe ang mura mag-travel sa Thailand. Inabutan nga kami ng ulan pero masaya pa rin. On our way back, dinaanan namin ang Korang Beach dahil sa aesthetic nitong view.